The demand for reliable truck batteries is as critical as the precision sought in mechanical keyboards by gamers and typists. Long-haul trucks like the Freightliner Cascadia need batteries that deliver exceptional power, long life, and dependable performance. List 1. NOCO Lithium NLX31 12-volt dual-purpose LiFePO4 lithium-ion battery, 120 hours, deep cycle. NOCO Lithium NLX31 is a powerhouse for Freightliner Cascadia owners seeking cutting-edge performance. With its 120-hour capacity, it offers deep cycle capabilities ideal for both starting and powering onboard accessories. Utilizing advanced LiFePO4 technology, this battery delivers longer lifespan, faster charging, and superior efficiency compared to traditional lead-acid options. Its lightweight design makes installation easier, and built-in battery management ensures safe and reliable operation even in demanding conditions.
List number: Optima Batteries High-Performance DS46B24R YellowTop Dual-Purpose Sealed AGM Car Battery. Known for its reliability, the Optima YellowTop DS46B24R is a dual-purpose battery designed for heavy-duty use. Its AGM absorbent glass mat design provides exceptional vibration resistance and long cycle life, making it perfect for Freightliner Cascadia applications. This battery is capable of delivering strong starting power while supporting auxiliary systems like inverters and lighting. Sealed and maintenance-free, it performs well in extreme weather, ensuring dependable starts in every season. List number: Weize Platinum AGM Battery, BCI Group 47, 12-volt, 60H, H5, size 47, automotive battery. The Weize Platinum AGM battery offers a blend of affordability and premium performance. Designed with a 60H capacity and 100 RC rating, it provides consistent power for starting large diesel engines while maintaining excellent reserve capacity for accessories. Its AGM technology ensures low maintenance, leak-proof safety, and resistance to shock and vibration, key benefits for long-haul trucking. Compact and reliable, it's a solid option for Freightliner Cascadia owners. List 4. Universal Power UB12180 D5745 12V 18Ah replacement battery. The Universal Power UB12180 is a versatile replacement battery suited for light-duty applications within the Freightliner Cascadia. While smaller in capacity at 18Ah, it is ideal for supporting auxiliary electronics or as a backup power source. Built with durable sealed lead-acid technology, it offers maintenance-free performance and dependable reliability. It's best used as a secondary battery or for specific low-draw applications, making it a cost-effective solution for supplementary needs. List number: Twinkle Star Emergency Roadside Flares Kit LED Safety Strobe Road Warning Light. While not a battery, the Twinkle Star Emergency Roadside Flares Kit is a valuable accessory for truck drivers. These LED safety strobes ensure visibility during breakdowns or battery-related emergencies, adding an extra layer of roadside safety. Compact and durable, the kit includes multiple lights with long battery life and bright illumination to alert oncoming traffic. An essential addition to any trucker's emergency kit, it complements the reliability of your primary battery setup.